Welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another question which is related to the value of x cube plus y cube. So we have few values given in the question like x plus y equals to 4 and xy equals to 5. So we have to find out which is the correct. We have to find out which is the correct answer of this expression. So here we have three options like plus, minus 4, 4 and minus 4. So you can solve and tell me the answer, exact answer in the comment box. So now we have to solve like this question. So here we have to find out x cube plus y cube, right? We have to find out this question. And we have the data here is x plus 4 equals to 4. And if we find x, y equals to y, right? Before starting this video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of questions from my channel. Okay, now we have to, if we recall that we have a cubical property which is equals to a plus b cube, which is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and multiply by a plus b. So this question we can solve through this formula. So first we have to like write x plus 4y equals to 4. And now we will write cubic both sides. Take cube on both sides. Now we have to write like take cube on both sides. So here we have x plus y cube and 4 raised to power cube, right? Now we have to write in the left side the same formula, which is a plus b cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and multiply by a minus b. So we can write x cube plus y cube plus 3xy and x plus y equals to 4 is to 3 means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Now we have to give the reference here, which is a plus b cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b, right? Now we can put the value because this question we have to find out. So here we will write a x cube plus y cube, right? Plus 3 multiplied by xy is 5 and x plus y is 4, right? Now we have to solve this 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. So if we will multiply, we get the answer is 64. Again, we have to solve x cube plus y cube plus multiply these three terms 3, 5 and 4. So we get the answer is 60 and 64 equals to 64. Now we have to find this question. So we will write here x cube plus y cube and again we will shift this number into this side. So here we have to write minus 60. And after solving this, we will get the answer is 4. So the correct answer of this expression is 4. So if you see the correct answer in the expression, which is equals to B. So I hope you understand how you can find the value of a cube, x cube plus y cube. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.